Hey everybody, this is Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my home here in Santa Monica, California. And in today's video, I like to do these once a month on the main channel, inspiring you to drill holes in your pots. I like to do this once a month to inspire you that no matter what you have, whether it's thrifted pots, whether it's brand new pots, or things that you want to turn into pots, you can add a hole in it. And I do have my Amazon store. My description box has the link to that store where you can find all of the products. That also includes the diamond drill bits that I'm using in today's video. I have 3 different sizes because I am about to leave for Las Vegas for almost a week. I have a bunch of house plants from my studio on the Tiffany blue table that stays out here while I travel, so I'm gonna just set it up here, and maybe it's gonna be a nice point of view, and also maybe better for me to work over it than versus on the Tiffany blue table. So without further ado, let's get started. I have 4 pots that just been sitting in my collection, and at least when I come back I have more pots sitting on the potting bench ready to go. So I hope you found this inspiring. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you also are active with drilling holes in your pots, and what are the type of pots that you are drilling. Alright, so we're just gonna work in this point of view, and it might be even easier for me to apply pressure. So I like to use Ebby's doggy pad under as a work placemat because it does get messy and it's easy for a cleanup. This is my drill here, and I love this drill. So there's a safety lock here. Here's the diamond drill bits, and is it drizzling right now? I think it might be drizzling, so I'm gonna make this quick. I'm just gonna get my first pot here, and I'm going to place some water on the surface, and I'm gonna go for a bigger hole. So let's place this on here, and I am going to speed up through this so that you don't have to hear me drilling. And let's see how long they take because each one is different. Alright, here we go. So I'm going to start at an angle and then slowly make my way to the top. Okay, that was like a perfect circle. Look at that. That was not that bad at all. Here's a pot that I got from, I think, TJ Maxx Las Vegas. So let's see how quick I can get through this. And I think I'm gonna go for medium size. So let's lock. Okay, here we go. Working on an angle. That was so quick. Okay, that had terracotta on it. I'm gonna have to rinse that off really good. All right, so let's use that. All right, so I have 2 of these pots here, and this is from the 99-cent store. So let's see how quick. Let's lock. Alright, here we go. All right, that took a while. Look at that. It's interesting how these cheap pots take the longest. All right, last one. Here we go. that is my last and final hole. So quick cleanup, and hopefully my grandma doesn't get mad. I'm wearing my new house slippers she got me for Christmas. I love them. I wear them like in my patio sometimes because they're just too comfortable to take off. Okay. Alright, so super easy. Look at this. I just fold it over and throw it in the trash. Nice and clean. Alright you guys, that is gonna wrap up today's video. I'm really excited to head to Las Vegas to see my mom, to go to church, to dance, and I'm really sad to leave the pot collection for about a week. I'll be gone, but I love doing these once a month videos inspiring you to drill holes in your pot. This drill has been with me for a hot minute and I love it. So if you're thinking about upcycling any type of pots or things you want to turn into pots, or if you're buying pots without holes, I say invest in a drill. I think I found a similar one on Amazon and I have it linked in my store, so check it out. As far as for my diamond drill bits, and I'll wash them up after I'm done with this video, these 3 have been with me for a hot minute. Like, I love them a lot. They're very inexpensive and I have these in my Amazon store as well. So very good investment. You see me drill all of my pots on the channel and I have been having fun upcycling things or thrifting things for the collection. If you watch my channel, you know I love a good thrift. So I hope this inspires you. Let me know in the comments down below if you drilled anything lately and what was it and what are you styling in it. So I'll see you guys for another video tomorrow on the main channel. If you're new, welcome. Subscribe for daily uploads between the main channel Monday to Friday and the vlog channel on Saturday and Sunday. You get a video each and every day from me. I'm going to water all of the plants in the collection, at least outside in my patio. I think everyone in the studio got water in my bathroom, so I don't have to worry about them. And I am going to head to Las Vegas and we'll see if I film anything while I'm there. Plant life there is not really great, so I rarely film anything out there anymore, but it's all good. I get to see my plants again, I get to see my mom, I get to go to church on Sunday. So thank you guys for supporting the channel. Stay tuned. Monday to Friday you get a video on the main channel, Saturday and Sunday you get a video on the vlog channel. Find me every day between both channels. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye.